Ready for another Christmas project? Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima, and today I'm showing you how to make this serving tray. I'm using this set. These are nesting serving trays from Redesign with Prima. I'm starting by painting this serving tray using one of my favorite colors, Cathedral Top from Fusion Mineral Paint. I will be painting all the tray from the inside and the outside. I'm doing 2 coats of this paint, but you can use another color. I want to create a real good finish, and this is the first step to do. I will set to dry completely the paint for around 4 to 5 hours. I'm using the antiquing wax clear for this finish, and I am applying some of it directly to my surface and using a cheap brush to cover all the area. I'm removing the excess with a paper towel. I will be using 2 different waxes, stained wood and sepia, and placing some in a paper plate. You don't need too much, a little goes a long way. Using a cleaning brush and taking first some of the stained wood wax and releasing the excess, starting from left to right doing straight lines. I'm doing the same process, but this time using sepia wax. And ending with a bit of old white wax just to enhance the finish. As you can see, I'm using the same brush. Using a cheap brush to blend all waxes together and for a smooth finish. And this is how it looks. Very easy to create this finish with waxes. For our design, I'm using Decor Mould Christmas Village. So beautiful mold, and you can create endless projects. Using white resin to casting these molds, mixing equal parts of A and B liquids. Pour your white resin over the Christmas Village mold. Be sure to wear gloves, work in a ventilated area, and protect your surface. Then, with a wood stick, guide the resin into intricate mold areas. Let's set the resin for 10 minutes. Once the molds are cured, demold your pieces from the silicone molds. It is time to paint these pieces, and I'm using acrylic liquid paint, mixing nude, white titanium, and a little bit of umber shade. This is the darker shade. These liquid paints are very concentrated, and you will need just a few drops to paint. I'm also using a little bit of water. And what you want to do is apply evenly all over the moldings. Just add a light layer. You don't need to add a lot. This paint goes a very long way. I will be painting all the moldings with the same colors. Remember, I mixed nude, titanium white, and a little bit of umber. As you can see, I'm taking a little of water and then a little of paint just to make this paint like a watercolor paint. Now let's do some shadows over the moldings. Using a little of umber and ochre, I'm painting some areas like windows, frames, and edges. As you can see, a little of this liquid acrylic paint goes a long way. And if you think you add too much, add a little of water to lower the tone of the paint. Now I'm using heavy body gel and apply it with a small brush all over the pieces of this Christmas village mold. I'm doing one piece at a time because I'm adding a glitter before the gel dries. This glitter is from the set of spring and comes 6 of them, each one with a different shade. You just want to add all over the piece and to stick with the body gel. Release the excess on the paper plate and look how beautiful it is. I'm adding the heavy body gel and the glitter to all the remaining pieces. I forgot to mention that for this project I made 2 sets of moldings with resin. And here you have all the pieces done and they look just amazing. To glue all the pieces, I'm using super glue that will be drying fast, but you can also use another adhesive glue as Gorilla Good Glue, Titebond, between others. There's no right or wrong way to organize your pieces. The way you're placing them will be amazing. And take a look how beautiful is getting this serving tray. To seal the glitter, I'm using this spray sealer all over the moldings and let it dry for around 12 minutes. Now for the final touch for this beautiful Christmas village is to add some snow paste. I'm using one of the brushes from the set of double-sided brushes and applying paste at the bottom of the serving tray, between the moldings, and on the top of the molding village where the snow stops. This snow paste is the perfect touch to our Christmas village. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and inspired you to do something beautiful for these holidays. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel today. See you in another flip.